Level 8, Upper Intermediate. The Gingerbread Man. Once, a little old woman baked a gingerbread man to surprise her husband. But as soon as she opened the oven, the gingerbread man jumped out and ran away. As he ran, he shouted, "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." The woman and her husband ran after him. Soon, a cow, a horse, and some villagers joined the chase, but none could catch him. The gingerbread man laughed at them all and ran faster. At last, he came to a wide, rushing river. He could not swim across, and he feared the people would catch him. A sly fox appeared and said, "Climb onto my back, and I will carry you to the other side." The gingerbread man, thinking he was safe, agreed. But in the middle of the river, the fox suddenly tossed him into the air and swallowed him whole. Thus, the gingerbread man's adventure came to an end.